today's lesson, we are going to be learning one of the CSS properties, which is background. Background is used in designing the surface of the website, depending how you want your background to be on your website. If you like this kind of content, do well by joining our YouTube channel and also hit the notification button to know when we are going to post our new videos. Let's go in details to understand the different background we are going to put in our website. We have what we call background attachment, we have background blend mode, we have background clipped, background color, background image, background origin, depending on how you want your background to be. So we are going to be learning some of the background in this class. So let's go in details to understand how to design our background. First of all, we are going to design a box. You can write a div box or a section box, but in this case we're going to make use of a section box. So I've written our section, an empty section. So we're going to now put what is going to be inside this section in our CSS. So inside your CSS, you code your section. Make sure you call the section well. If you don't write the name you gave your section well in your CSS, it's not going to reflect. So we'll call our section. Inside our section, let's give it a background color. Let's give our section a background color. What are we going to call it? Let's give it a background color of black and save it. Make sure you save before you run. So we saved it. It didn't come out because the background is covering the entire screen. So make sure you give your background a height and a width. We'll give our background a height of 400 pixels and give it a width of 50%. For you to get your width, you just remember that your width is your screen size. Your width is your screen size. Your screen size is 100%. So when you say 50%, you're talking about half of the screen. So depending on how you want the size of your box to be in your website, just understand that your screen size, every screen size is 100%. So depending on how you want the box to be, you can make the box to be 20%, 50%, depending on how you want it, or you make it to cover the entire screen. So we're going to be making use of 50%. So let's run it, save it and run it on our browser to see how it's going to look like. We saved it, it came out automatically because we have given it a height and a width. So we are still going to give our box. Let's say we want to remove this color that is in this box. You can give your box a background image. I told you in our last video that if you don't have an image in your folder, go to your laptop, copy an image and create a folder for the image and paste it in your folder for your website design. So we have already called an image. I've already put my own image folder here. So I'm going to call the image folder, call my image, then I will save it and run it. Once you save it and run it, it's going to automatically appear in that box, which the background color you have put in there, the image have replaced the background color. So you can still have another design which will have the background repeat. You can put a background repeat in your box. You can make your background repeats to be inherit, initial, no repeat, depending on what you want it to be like. I asked you to download the Visual Studio Code because it will help you in designing your website easily. So let's say our background repeat will put round. Let's say we want the box to be in a round figure. Have you see how the background repeat round immediately make our image to look like? We still have we have already done background color, background image. You can still put background blend mode, that you want the image to blend with the background. You just write your background blend mode.